Hi everybody, today we're going to look at how to make bias tape with or without the bias tape making tool. My name is Veronica from Salmandra Verde Arts and Crafts. I'm a professional young tailor and let's begin. First of all, check the final dimension of the tape that you need and choose the tool. They have a few different sizes and they are space saving. Now take your fabric and draw your stripes not parallel to the grain but in bias grain large more as the double of the final tape. Make first a try with some leftovers. Cut the stripes and remember to mark the inside. Then take the stripes and pull them during ironing. Remember that when you pull a fabric in bias, it changes the dimensions. It's gonna be longer but thinner or narrower. For that reason, we cut the stripes more than twice larger of the final tape, but remember to make a test with leftovers before you cut all because not all the fabrics react the same way. Back to us, insert the stripes into the tool and start ironing. Remember to take the tool and the stripe in a straight line and to adjust during ironing. To better insert the tape in the tool, cut the beginning in bias to have a point. During ironing, always check if it's everything alright. And that is the result. But if you don't have the tool, I'll tell you a trick that my boss teached me for other kinds of work, but I think it's time saving and good even for this. Take a cardboard, even the one in the back of the drawing book, without glue or any kind of dirt. Cut one side straight with a cutter, then draw a line parallel to the cutted side of the needed height, from example 1 cm. Take your strip, sorry I used a leftover for a quick demonstration, and roll it on the cardboard until the mark you made and iron it. Make the process for both sides and you have done. Thanks for watching. This is my very first tutorial and we'll see you the next time. Follow me on Instagram at Salmandra Verde Arts and Crafts and special thanks to Old Fashioned Sartoria. Bye bye!